Andito po si Ms. Aminang, siya po ang chairperson sa MTBA Youth. At pakinggan po natin siya regarding this event.
Good afternoon po sa inyo lahat. Lalo congratulations to Valiant Club sa kanilang open ngayon.
Alik! Kung triple na
Nandito po tayo, in-interview natin si Mr. John Olim dahil bali 6 consecutive strike ang kanyang ginawa.
Sa ngayong araw, yung nakakuha na po yung
kanina. Ano yung pang-lima? 5 at 5th consecutive. Ngayon tawaas. I hope na yung susunod natin mag-execute. Thank you. Andito po si Mr. John. Isa po sa mga nakakuha ng maliilang 5 consecutive strike. Kasama po siya sa mga special prizes. Sabi ko, duktungan yung linya doon, no? Yari man. Yun! Mr. Toninan at tungkol sa mga consecutive strike. Bali, nakailang consecutive strike po kayo?
2 times for then 1 time 5 months.
Okay. At katatapos ng po ng kanyang kasyon na strike, si John Olim at possible perfect game ay hindi mo panoorin po natin yung mga susunod ng kanyang release na muli. Pasado ko yung niya po ang kanyang shot at nirelease na muli. Yun! Oh! Natin si Mr. Alan po. Sa line, also getting strikes. And like 264 or 264. Ito yung classic ng classic ball. Wala Bato pa lang, parang kasi ayaw pa rin yata mag-perfect game mga araw pa.
And here are the names of the following winner. On number 10 is Mr. Tony Nang. Number 9 is Mr. Anthony Yu. 8 is Alex Carpio. Number 7 is Cesar Mure. And number 6 is Mr. Jacinto Uy.
Pangalan po nila si Mr. Tony Nan, number 10, Anthony Yu, Alex Carpio, Cesar Mure, Jacinto.
And on the 5th place is Mr. Kenneth Piedad.
Umabot siya 2272.
On the 4th place is Mr. John Paulim. On the 3rd place is Mr. Nap Nam. And on the 2nd place is Mr. Alan Ko, making almost a perfect game. But he missed the last shot. And the champion, Mr. Boy Cruz.
Mr. Boy Cruz, congratulations.
We wish to thank Mr. William Kang on his great help and effort to promote activities that will surely promote bowling as a great sport and a new way of family activity that would help bond everybody. Thank you very much, Mr. William Kang, President of Valiant Bowling Club and Vice President of Manila 10-Pin Bowlers Association. This is Bert Miranda from PBC News. Thank you.